Yo, what's going on, you guys? It's Boost Flocker. Today what I'm going to talk to you guys about is these one-piece headlights. You can buy them in many different brands or whatever. Regardless of what you buy, I don't know what this brand is that I got. It may be Spider. I got them off eBay. I think they were around $200 something. But anyway, you can find them for all different prices. That's besides the point. What I want to talk to you guys today about was I got online to try and look at what I had to do to get these put in, and there's a lot of videos showing you how to do it that take you a lot more time, and it's really pointless. So there's some videos that you guys may have seen them. If you're looking at this, you've probably seen other videos where they're telling you to take this piece off, this piece, that one there, and pop all of those screws and things out. Not necessary, guys, not necessary at all. It's really only 4 screws that you got to take out in order to get the bumper off. Now, a lot of people say you don't have to take the bumper off. I don't really see a way around it, because I'll show you why. Let's go ahead and pop this. Okay, so here's why. There's 2 screws that go underneath this thing, okay? I don't want to pop that off. That thing sucks to get back on. But anyway, there's 2 screws that get inside of there, and you've got about I'd say that much space to try and fit something in there to try and get those out. I mean, you could probably fit something in there. You'd probably scratch your bumper up a little bit, or whatever. You could possibly do it, but it's easy, guys. I'm telling you, just to pull this bumper off. And let me show you exactly how to do it. So there are 2 bolts that go right inside here. There's one in here, right inside of there. And there's also one right here. Sorry guys, the focus ain't that good. And you can see it just up there. I'm trying to get to where you guys can see it. There it is. Okay, right there. So those 2 right there, which are right up inside of where your grill is, you just they're one on each side. You just kind of look up at them, you'll see them. Sorry guys about the focus and the sun and everything. It's kind of phone's kind of acting funny. So you got those 2 there, one up in here, one up in here, and then you got these 2 in your wheel well. And I don't even know that these are necessary. Maybe they are. See it right here? You've got 2 of those, just one of those on each side that you got to take out. And then after that, your front end just slides right off, guys. I mean, it just slides right off, and then you're able to access all of everything you need. So, like I said, those other videos were telling you to take this loose, this loose, this loose, and then they said to go under here, underneath the car, and actually take off that bottom cover. You don't need to do any of that. I didn't have to. So, and it took me just a portion of the time that it probably took everybody else to do it. But man, these headlights, they're definitely worth it when you do it. I'll show you guys a picture, a video of it at the end of this video to show you guys what they look like. They look really awesome, so I would definitely recommend doing it on your E46. I'm going to put out a few more videos like this, showing you guys some of the things that I've done, and just easier ways that I found to do things. So if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you love car stuff, man, of all different sorts. I love shooting shows, and I'm gonna do more of these types of videos. But just let me know what you guys thought about the video, if it was helpful to you, and I guess I will catch you guys on the next one. See ya. Stay blessed, guys. See ya.